Okay. Good morning, children. Good morning to everyone. So, before I did video 1, I discussed about the range and domain of the three inverse trigonometric functions. Then I did video 2, some of the problems, how to find the principal value of the various types of inverse trigonometric function. And video 3, I did that properties of the inverse trigonometric function with proof. And video 4, I did how to prove it by taking the LHS equal to RHS or by taking RHS to prove it LHS. But now we will do for the inverse trigonometry simplest form. The meaning of the simplest form of the inverse trigonometry means the substitution method. In place of x, you have to substitute in suitable trigonometric functions. I written here, if the function is the form of 1 minus x square, if the function is the form of 1 minus x square, then put x is equal to sin theta. If the function is the form of x square minus 1, then put x is equal to sec theta. If the function is the form of 1 plus x square, put x is equal to tan theta. That means here 1, it is a constant, x is a function. Is right? So if here instead of a, it becomes a square. So a square minus a square, then put x is equal to a sin theta. Because here a is 1. Here a. So similarly, x square minus a square, put x is equal to a sec theta. Similarly, here a square plus x square, so same thing, put x is equal to a tan theta. If such things you know, then the simplest form of the inverse trigonometric function, it is very easy to you become. Why means the substitution method means the simplest form you have to make it. Such one example I will say. One example, the question is write the cot inverse of 1 by under root over x square minus 1, where the given that is nothing but mod x is greater than 1 into simplest form. This is the question. Too much question will be important for PUC. Even the objective also some similar type of questions you'll get. So now if the given question is cot inverse 1 by under root over x square minus 1. So now you see that this function before cot inverse is there. So the meaning of the simplest form you see, this bracket also you make it one trigonometric function. That trigonometric function will be related to cot inverse. Means cot inverse of cot theta or cot inverse of tan theta. Then it will be easy to you. But don't try to make a sine, cos, sec, cosec. No need. What given the bracket before inverse trigonometry, that inside the bracket that trigonometric function try to convert. So that here the solution you see there perfectly. The question is cot inverse of 1 by under root over x square minus 1. So now you search it. What do you substitute in place of x? So then you see the function how it is the form. X square minus 1. X square minus 1. So then put x is equal to sec theta. So now when you solve the question, direct put x is equal to sec theta, convert inverse trigonometric function, theta is equal to sec inverse x. So that is cot inverse of 1 upon under root over secant square theta minus 1. I don't have to say, you know the first trigonometry, I did this formula of the trigonometric function. Secant square theta minus 1 is become tan square theta. So that is called cot inverse of 1 upon secant square theta minus 1 is become tan square theta. Tan square theta root over is become tan theta. So that please give the result is cot inverse of 1 by tan theta. You can say that cot theta is right. So cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. So that the question is given in term of x, so answer also you need in term of x. Don't give the theta is answer because question question is given in term of x, so you also convert in term of x. So then what is theta? Secant inverse x. That is called secant inverse x. That is your answer. Do you understand clear? Substitution method, the simplest form of the I.T.F principle, that you have to substitute in place of x suitable trigonometric function. If you know this trick, then it will be easy to you. Is right? So once you check it and note down. You see, okay. Now you see the next question. So it is, the second question is same time. Write the tan inverse of under root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x into simplest form, where x is not equal to 0. Is right? So now tan inverse of under root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now here 1 plus x square, because the bracket before is tan inverse, so this bracket also you want to convert either tan or cot. So then you see the function is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So then compulsory you have to substitute x is equal to tan theta. So then direct put x is equal to tan theta, which give the result is theta is equal to tan inverse x. So then it is become tan inverse of under root over 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Is right? So then that is called tan inverse of under root over 1 plus tan square theta. Already you know in the first PUC identities formula of the trigonometric function, it is become sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now you see, sir, here sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta is there, but I need this bracket to convert either tan or cot, because I told related to tan inverse. So when you want to convert either tan or cot, then what you have to make it? Sec theta and tan theta, it is the reciprocal form of cos sine. Is right? So it become tan inverse of sec theta is nothing can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. So then look the perfect date. Very interesting problem that is. So now here take it LCM is cos theta. So is equal to now is equal to tan inverse of LCM is cos theta. So numerator is become 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Do you know why it is? Do you know why it is? Because when you took LCM, so the LCM term as it is, and denominator and denominator term also same is there, so it is eliminated. So the LCM procedure you got 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So then that is called tan inverse of, apply the formula for 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. You know this formula. So 2 to cancel, 1 sin term and 1 sin term is cancelled. What is left? Tan inverse of sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Which is give the result is tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Which the answer is theta by 2. But starting I told you, don't give answer in term of theta, because of the question in term of x means the answer also you need in term of x. So that is called 1 by 2. As it is, the theta is nothing but what? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. That is your answer. Is right? The simplest form of tan inverse of under root over 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x is become 1 by 2 tan inverse x. By substituting x is equal to tan theta, because I given the trick to you. Is right? So this one you have to see, and you substitute me see, it will be very easy. Clear? So once you check it and note down, because this formula already you know, so I don't want to take more time, because already you know this formula. 1 minus cos theta formula what? 1 plus cos theta formula what? sin theta of the half of angle formula what that one I did and problem is solved. Is right? Note down. Okay. So now you see that. Now the question is, write the tan inverse of cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x into simplest form. Before question, 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square, like that they given. So you search it, what type of trigonometric function will be substitute. But present, already this trigonometric function is there. So no need to substitute anything. So this bracket you want to convert either tan or cot. Why? But before is tan inverse. So that tan inverse of, I want to convert this is means see, one formula is say 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. If it is 1 plus, if it is 1 minus, then it becomes tan pi by 4 plus theta. So, if you want to make it like this, so then what you have to do? Divide with cos theta. So, divide cos theta means what will get up? 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. What you did here? Divide cos theta, both numerator and denominator. Cos theta you have to divide both the numerator and denominator. For particular of like this problem, compulsory you have to divide cos theta and try to make it like this convert. So then you got this formula tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta. Is right? How you got? You know it is the formula for tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B. And right? Tan A minus tan B. Tan A means tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is a 100. So then, by using the inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. So the theta is nothing but pi by 4 minus theta. So what is theta? What is theta? No need to write here theta, because just you see here in term of x is there na, so this one we make it in term of x only. So that here divide with cos x. So then it is x. So then it is x. Because answer of question is given in term of x, you also got in term of x. If it is theta, so then you make it cos theta divide. Do you understand here? So then what is the answer? Pi by 4 minus x. Do you understand here? Note down. Okay, now you see it is a very important problem for 3 marks. This is for 3 marks, it is important, very important problem. Write the tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. Look at it. So your target is this one you have to convert in terms of tan. So that already you know in the first PUC that formula, the cos x, that means cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin x. So that cos x formula is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. But 1 minus sin x, it is the formula for cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Just to see that in that RHS, a minus b whole square formula x part. A minus b whole square means what? A square plus b square. A square plus b square means 1. Then minus 2 ab, and sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 means sin x another. So that 1 minus sin x formula is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So what formula is written here, that you substitute here. Because if you don't know the formula, it is very difficult to do. So that tan inverse of the cos x plus can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon, it is nothing but cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So that is called tan inverse of a square minus b square formula, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin sin x by 2 divided by denominator nothing to change cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Now here the minus 1 term and here the denominator also minus 1 term is there. It is cancelled. After the cancel, what is the effect? That is called tan inverse of what vector? Only plus term cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon what is left? Only one term cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Similarly, before problem like this got this is, so now what you do? It is nothing but divide cos x by 2 both numerator and denominator. So then we get tan inverse of cos x by 2. After divide, we get 1 plus tan x by 2 upon, here also cos x by 2 divide means see 1 minus tan x by 2. Because cos 1, sin by cos tan. So by using this formula, I told you plus is there, so it become tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So by using the inverse trigonometric formula, you will get pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is the answer of tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. Do you understand here? Very simple, nothing that difficult. Once, twice, thrice, you have to try. 100% you will get it. This question is important for 3 marks. Be careful. Is right? Note down.